Riding a motorcycle is an amazing experience. Every time that I ride one, I feel invincible. I used to be a motocross racer. All my life, my dream was to become a motorcycle designer.
My name is Rodrigo Álvarez. I'm from Argentina. I'm a motorcycle designer for Jinlang Company.
As chief designer, my job is to create newer, sleeker and safer models. Dreams come true because all the sketches that we do, we put it on the shape. And then we scan in 3D. Once I check all this surface, I send it to engineer. And the engineering department is going to be the one who is going to 3D printing these surfaces and build the prototype. Through brainstorming, 3D scanning and 3D printing, I craft its perfection.
Hello everyone, welcome to Jinlang Company. Here we produce engines from 50cc to 400cc. We produce around 700,000 to 800,000 units a year. We export to 60 countries. I'm the director of Latin America, and the Latin American market looks for a high-value product.
We are here at the marketing office, and we are taking pictures and we are taking many videos about this model because tomorrow we are going to launch this concept. This one is completely brand new design for us. I'm the proudest father of this motorcycle. This latest model went from blueprint to production in just 10 months. It has already been booked by numerous countries. This motorcycle will be sold in Argentina, in my hometown, but also it's going to go across all Europe. As its designer, I believe I could achieve such perfection only in Taizhou. Hidden here are many extraordinary motorcycle giants. It's an industrial cluster whose scales and strength are simply astonishing.
Here we are in another company. He is the technical director. Here the company is huge. This factory is full of robotics arms that they are producing plastic parts. So look here. All the robotic arm is picking up the plastic from the mold and then is going to put it on this part with the workers. This ecosystem is really wonderful. We are surrounded by different OEMs that they help us to produce a scooter from 0 to 100. Here we can find special parts and all the companies around 70 kilometers around. So for us it's really a key point that we can find a really good chain to produce the scooters and to provide a really high value of scooters to the market.
I'm committed to help Taizhou to become motorcycle hub of the world. The same as Milan is about fashion, the same as Silicon Valley is about startups. I'm really sure that if we go in this way, we will become the capital city of the motorcycles. I live in Taizhou for 12 years. I really know Taizhou, even better than my hometown. I have my friends, I have my circle, I do sports and everything with my friends. I experience so much Chinese culture. Even I enjoy Taizhou dialect.
feel lucky to have built a loving home in Taizhou, where our daughter, Sofia, was born. Now, she is 5 years old. Sofia lights up our lives.
Acá, muy bien.
In that moment when my daughter born here is where I truly feel at home. In April of this year, we received a 5-star card from the government. I think that for foreigners to get this 5-star card is a sense of belonging here. They are going to grow as same as the country, and they are going to help the country to grow as much as they can also do it. This is something that make my mind to stay here. Taizhou is the place where all my dreams came true. My past, present and future are all here.